Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add bio on IMVU. So let's get started. Begin by launching your IMVU application. Now, tap on your profile icon which is right next to gear icon. Tap on the edit button at the top right corner of your screen. Then select bio option. Now enter the text. Once you're done, tap on the done button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add bio on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.